So of course, to start this evening, full of applause and cheers, everyone would like to welcome you all. At syempre naman, palakpakan naman natin celebrating his 60th birthday, si Sir Ronald. Maraming salamat. And of course, everybody, I'm sure I'm your birthday host for this evening. And before we start, I think it's best for us to acknowledge yung mga bisita po natin na kasama natin for tonight's celebration. At kaya naman pagkatawag po ang grupo, maaari naman ay pumalakpak at maghiyawan asan po ang ating team. Kaam! Ay, marami po ang ating team Kaam. Pero syempre, I'm sure din naman hindi magpapatalo ang INCAD Batch 1978! Wow! Alright, at this time, we'd also like to acknowledge din po ang mga bisita natin. Syempre din naman ang Estabilio family! Yes, alright, thank you so much. Actually, you may not heard this group yet po, no? Para at least sa makilala po natin ang mga bisita natin. Anong grupo po ito? From? Okay, at yun naman, syempre naman, Lorna's Friends! Yes, palakpakan din naman. Yes, okay. Same din po ba dito sa grupo na to? Uy, Team Kaam, and at the same time, Team Kaam din po ito. Team Kaam, ayan, eto ha. Before tayo magsimula, everybody, before we start with our program, mamimigay na muna tayo ng 5 special prizes po sa ating active participants. At kaya naman po, gagawin po natin itong question and answer. So for the first question, everyone, sino mga pagsabi sa akin kung saan ipinanganak si Sir Ronald? Okay, so to those who'd like to answer, latin nyo yung kung kumakaman, magkakalaga lang pinaka-active group natin. INCAD Batch 1978, syempre sa Venus Friends, sila na nyo lang ito na pinakakalala sa Let's go! Ayan, kung gusto swerte na i-sir, dito ka. Ayan. Anong team ka, sir? Team Kaam! Okay, tingnan natin ang mga sila ng first point. Okay, sir, saan pinanganak si Sir Ronald?
Okay, kaya.
Tama po ba? Sigurado po ba, mga morning? Congratulations! Team Kaam, may 1 point na sila. Okay, thank you, Sir Nadja Meron. Thank you, big guys. Ay, disqualified ba? Ay, picture ba? Sir, picture. Kailangan natin ng documentation for auditing purposes. Picture lang po, sir. Picture lang po. Alright, next, everyone. Who can tell me kung ano ang exact birthday ni Sir Ronald? When I say complete birthday, kailangan ng month, day, and the year. Maraming sagot, napitan ako, mommy. Okay. Complete the birthday of your birthday celebrator. Who?
July 20, 1962.
Congratulations! Sa isipan ni Mami, di ba dapat din yan? Think ko, Mami, ko yung isa sa mga kaano-ano natin si Sir Ronald, yung kanyang katunas. Kapatid naman pala! Kasama ng kanyang parents! Okay na ako, forbidden tayo. Kapatid naman pala kasi kapali namin kung ikaw yung kasama niya na nag-process ng birth certificate. Alright, next. So sige, pauwi tayo. At least alam na natin. Ay yung mga close natin or immediate family ng ating birthday celebrator. Sige, disregard po natin. But at least alam na natin kung kailan siya pinanganak. That is on July 20, 1962. Okay, eto naman. Ano sa tingin nyo ang kanyang Chinese zodiac sign? Alright. Or sabihin na natin yung zodiac sign. Hindi naman particularly Chinese, but zodiac sign. At tayo na yung zodiac sign. Ako Taurus. Pero siya kaya, ano? Alright, ikahapos. So let's go for the second prize. Eto na. Okay. Para sa ating next point, anong team ka? Uy, nagkaroon ulit! Grabe! O sige. Team ka, alright. Ano ang zodiac sign ni Sir Ronald? Congratulations! Alright, anong zodiac sign mo? Scorpio naman talaga. Oh yeah, thank you so much. Please have it all talaga. Yeah, picture. Yes! Okay, next. Let's talk about food this time. Alright, INCAD Batch 1978. Let's talk about family. Hapon po tayo, ha? Alright, pwede po actually at this ang ano lang muna, exempted sa ating Estabilio family is yung mga kapatid niya. Pwede yung mga cousins niya. Okay? At saka titas and titos. Next, who can tell me kung ano ang favorite food niya? Oh! Already na din naman! Ayun si Mama, siya pinakauli na dito ko nag-press na tuloy. Napakasikat na itong pagkain na ito, especially sa ating mga Ilocano. Ano po ang kanyang favorite food? Macaroni, everyone! Ayan! Meron na tayong first wrong answer. Wrong answer po! Actually, alright, ito po usually, okay, first clue. Iniinom ko na ito po yung inihigop natin, lalong-lalo na kapag alright, nasobra na po natin ang inom. Actually, ako din, ito hinihigop ko din. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Sir?
Bugi-bugi.
Bugi-bugi! Hinihigop natin, sir. Bugi-bugi! Imagine, maligatan ng pero. Alright, second clue. May sabaw ito. Alright. May sabaw ito. And third clue, nagsisimula sa letter S. Alright. Sir. Okay. Paksiw. Paksiw. Nagsisimula sa letter S to be perfect. Tapos sir, nakakagawa na una siya. Pag mali siya, isusunod kita. Sir. Sinanglaw is correct. Yan. Alright. Okay, thank you so much. Poki-poki. Imagine nyo nga sa poki-poki. Naliga, sir. Naliga. Okay, next. Mapawin tayo. Sino makapagsabi sa akin kung ilang years na po siya sa serbisyo? Actually, malapit na po siya doon sa ating major milestones pagdating sa government service. So, ilang years na po siya ngayon sa serbisyo? Alright, come on! Anyone guess on the number of years? Now, let's go! Alright, para lumapit at lumapit sa inyong crush, lapitin na lang ako! Ilang years na po siya sa serbisyo? 40 years! 40 years! Money! Sinobrahan mo na! Alright! Malapit na! Malapit na everybody! Ano? 39. Congratulations! 39 years na po siya in the service! Alright, ma'am! Pero kung meron tayong extra na gift wrapper dyan, ibigay natin kay ma'am. Alright, thank you so much! And that's everybody! Okay! Sino makapagsabi sa akin kung saan siya nag-take ng kanyang master's degree? Anong institusyon? Yes, ma'am! Yung 40 years. Saan mo? Congratulations! It's in Lyceum Northwestern University. May nagsabi na sa Northwestern University, ha? Okay, and that's congratulations. You have a prize in the galing kay Sir Ronald. And indeed, here's a special prize. Thank you so much, everybody. We'll be having more later on. Please stay with us until the end of our celebration. That we have lots of treats. We have lots of special moments to remember. Thank you so much, everybody, for this grand occasion. Actually, please allow us to take this moment, especially in welcoming him. Lalong-lalo na celebrating the biggest milestone of his life yet. And with that, everybody, syempre naman po sa lahat ng mga bisita, tumakdem tayo. Amin. Let's all rise, everyone, as we'll be welcoming our man of the evening. Siya po ang ating hari sa selebrasyon na ito. And with all the love from the dear wife, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, Estabilio family, Team Kaap, and at the same time, Inca Bash 1978, everybody on this grand celebration, let us welcome the Estabilio couple, of course, with wife, with the lovely wife, Ron Lorna, and ladies and gentlemen, for his 60th birthday, please welcome the man of the evening, Mr. Ronald Estabilio! 3, 2, and go! Yes! Everyone, please, special. Actually, parang pagdating rin sa mga celebrations natin, this time, bilang isang lalaki, meron na tayong coffee quiz. At then dahil dyan, instead of the 6 roses na kutawagin natin, we'll be having actually 3 groups composed of 6 members who will participate and share this moment with our birthday celebrators. Let us first welcome the 6 ladies who will have a special dance for with our birthday celebrator, the dearest mom. Okay, unahin natin the dear mom, Ma'am Aurora Estabilio. Ladies and gentlemen, the first dance, of course, what is even more special is that we're witnessing a mother and son dance. At kaya naman po, G22 Band will give us very sweet music. The first dance, mother and son dance. Palakpakan everyone! Celebrator, we have Mommy Lorna and ladies and gentlemen, the husband and wife dance. We have Lorna and Sir Ronald. Palakpakan naman.
Of course, I would like to greet a special birthday greeting to my husband. Happy birthday, Lakay. I'm so proud of you, your children, and I are so proud of you, including to Focus. And we are so blessed to have you in our lives. So, once again, happy birthday. Enjoy the night. We will all have fun, and we will all dance till we fall. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Parang hindi kami na-satisfy sa kiss. Hindi ba dapat pag mag-asawa sa lips na yan? Alright. Or mamaya na. Mamaya na daw. Alright, parang yan lang ang mga ating mga bisita. Once again, everybody, palakpakan naman natin the 6 special dances represented by these 6 precious ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. And with that, everybody, sirs, ipo muna. As everybody since we selected, or the birthday celebrators selected 6 ladies this time, meron din po tayong 6 close gentlemen who will also be sharing their messages, and they are in the form of 6 toasts. So with that, we'd like to call them here. We'd like to call the 6 of them here in front. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the Vice Mayor of Santa Praxedes, Cagayan, his cousin Honorable Rene Estabilio.
This is a great day for all of us as we have come together to rejoice and celebrate with a great man, your office mate, your batchmate, your compadre, your colleague.
Maraming salamat to our 6 gentlemen. And 6 gentlemen, please raise your glasses. And all together, everybody, we say cheers! Alright, cheers, sir. Cheers. Alright, thank you so much. And cheers to the 60 years of a great life and good times. Okay, I may have to ask our birthday celebrator for his words of thanks, and especially once again, thank you po lahat ng ating mga bisita. Sir Ronald!
Thank you very much for all of you. Wala akong masasabi, and maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
All together, we will now sing our traditional Ilocano birthday song, Pada Padaham. G22 Band will lead us all. The last hour of this special occasion for a milestone. So much love for our birthday celebrator. Let's continue giving him all the lovings. And at the same time, everybody, fill this night with special moments. Close your eyes and make a wish. Alright? Sarap po natin ang mata. Gawa po tayo ng wish. Everybody. Okay, from 3, 2, 1. Happy 60th birthday! May God bless you, Sir Ronald, and for all the good times with you. Thank you so much, everybody, and once again, happy birthday! Let's welcome the 6 gifts who will be presenting their symbolic treasures para din po sa ating birthday celebrator. Kayo naman po, as you call your name, please join us here in front. Let's have the Carac Legal Enforcement Officer, Attorney Raisa Ballestero, followed by Carac Area 1 Accountant, Ma'am Winnie Hardinan. Also, the high school batchmate from Scotland. We got him in Scotland, Ma'am Ludivina Lindstrom. Alright, please get ready. We also have another high school batchmate who currently works at Digras District Hospital. Let's have Ma'am Marichu Pascual, high school batchmate of Faculty of PINCA, Ma'am Gloria Fernandez. And we also have another high school batchmate, Ma'am Celia Red Pedrado. So sa manatawag po natin, here is, alright, here is once the 6 gifts. Let's have all of you here. 6 gifts. Pakita natin mga regalo natin. Pakita natin mga regalo. Yan! Thank you. Alright, please stay with us. Ganito gagawin natin, dear ladies. After your message, kindly hand over your gift po sa ating birthday celebrator and solo picture po tayo. Ma'am Gloria!
To Sir Ronnie, my batchmate.
So my gift is, you might not need it now, but looking forward. But ano ito, multi-purpose. No, adahan mo maabot din datahan. Kabalin mo sa rin. No, adahan mo ito talaga. Oo, mabalin mo pagkutod. No, misbehave, may kasinsin ko. Pang self-defense fighter tayo.
Baliktad! Darugod eh. Darugod. Makausara din lang na kanyak yan. Ay! Maganda na ba? Ayaw mo. Masarap na naglakingan.
Ano ba usapan na nagan po?
Ay! Futuristic din yan.
Kahit futuristic.
Iban na paglakingan.
Makes you happy, comfortable, at wala nang aray.
Pero talaga curious po kami lahat kung ano yun. Kung tatanungin ko ang mga bisita natin. Ayan. Bubuksan ko ba natin? Yes or no? Ayan. Okay, buksan daw po. Okay. Kailangan ko marinig ang pagpapantala. All you have to do is just answer yes or no. Bubuksan po ba natin? Yes or no? Yes! Ang lakas! Okay. Tayo-tayo lang naman nandito. O, sige na. In 3, 2, 1. Ano yan? Pamunas at? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin. Happy birthday na lang talaga. Alright. Anyway, for the fun of it din naman, maraming salamat. Walang mag-upload na sa Facebook, ha? Okay. Thank you. Alright. Okay yan, parang masaya tayo. Ayan. Thank you. And with that, everybody, that concludes our 6 gifts. Kaya naman, one more time, palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much for presenting these special gifts. Okay. At dahil po dyan, nagkaalaman tayo sa ating mga gifts this time. Magkakaalaman na din po kung sino ang grupo na may outstanding performance. Ready na tayo? We have 4 groups who will perform for tonight. Ang nakalam po sa ating birthday celebration. So everybody, to start with our set of performances from the Kaab family, let us welcome the Admin and Finance team! Palakpakan! Dapat tinanggal na lang yung stockings. Para pinalindigan nyo na, mga tol. Ayan, mag-cheer kayo! Tol, kung ayaw mong matuluyan yan, dahan-dahanin mo. Umagas, malapit na. Kaya pa yan! Kaya pa yan! So parang pakahirap ako pakahirap upstairs. Oh my gosh! Woo! Mapanin. Alwata. Woo! Yauning ka sa buhok ko, ha? Magkaroon kayo naging kapistacking set. Kaya pala, tama rin. Everybody, once again, from building and ground maintenance. Okay, syempre naman, performance meter! Ayun, double thumbs up na din. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Batch 1978. Palakpakan! Bakit sila bariya na lang? Di pwede namang papel o check, di ba? Alright, that's it, and we just continue. Enjoy them, everybody. Yeah! Let's have it on the center. There you go. Okay, papamigay na po natin ang ating last 5 special prizes. So everyone, paki-check sa ilalim ng inyong mga upuan kung meron may makikitang sticker na may Happy Birthday Ronald! Okay, paki-check po sa ilalim ng inyong mga upuan. Kasi po yung mga ibang upuan, lalo na may mga umuwi na. So please, check natin yan. We have 5 lucky winners! Let's go! Paki-check po yan, sticker. Circle po yan na sticker. Ayun, yung meron tayo na may dalawa. Come on. Yan, we still have 3 more. Tatlo pa. Paki-check lang po. Sa manamo ng Ronald at 60 na special stickers. Paki-check lang po. We have our 3rd winner. Come on. Dalawa ka. Ayan. Alright, everyone. Actually, kompleto na po ang 5 special winners natin. Pakitaas lang po ang mga stickers. There you go. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Congratulations. Maraming salamat po. Alright, everybody. Are you ready to party? Ayan, ready na natin. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, of course, maraming salamat po sa SML. Couple ng Lorna, Sir Ronald. Of course, happy birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue all the good times. At kaya mga po, this has been Asher Kua. Let us all party!